So students, there is one very important formula that I am going to derive today, and I hope that you will remember the formula and you can easily apply this formula to the numericals. So the formula is for distance traveled by a body in nth second. So to understand this problem, first of all, just concentrate on this diagram that I have shown here. Let us suppose you have a body, its initial velocity is u and its constant acceleration. Body is in uniform motion, you must remember, as the body is in uniform motion, so acceleration is constant a and initial velocity is u. Let us suppose that the body travels from this point to this point and it takes total n seconds, and that distance is denoted by Sn. So Sn is the distance traveled by a body in n seconds. Sn. Second is that this is the distance traveled by a body in n minus 1 second. So I have denoted this distance by Sn minus 1. Sn minus 1 stands for distance traveled by a body in n minus 1 second. For simplicity, I can explain that if a body takes 10 seconds from here to here, this is S10. And if the body covers this distance is 9 seconds, then this is S9, that is S10 minus 1. So if this distance is traveled in n minus 1 second and this distance is traveled in n second, then what about this distance? This distance is traveled in last second. So I can say this is the distance traveled in nth second. So here I have written Sn is the distance traveled by a body in n second, Sn minus 1 is the distance traveled by a body in n minus 1 second, and Sn is the distance traveled by a body in nth second. So derive the relation for Snth, that is the distance traveled in nth second. I will use the formula S is ut plus half at square. I have written here t, that distance traveled in t seconds is ut plus half at square. Now in place of t, I will write n, then Sn is un plus half a in place of t, n is there, so half an square. Now again in place of t, I will use n minus 1, then Sn minus 1 is un minus 1 plus half a in place of t, it is again n minus 1 square. Now you can see this is Sn, this is Sn minus 1, this is Sn. So this Sn can be written as Sn minus Sn minus 1. Sn minus Sn minus 1 is Sn. This is written like this. You can see from the diagram, Sn minus Sn minus 1, it is Sn. So I will substitute the value for Sn, it is un plus half a n square. For Sn minus 1, it is un minus 1 half a n minus 1 square. Now just open the bracket, minus un minus minus plus u plus half a n square, minus plus it will become minus. So minus un cancels with un, then rest of the things is u is there, half a n square is there, minus half a minus b square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Again open the bracket. So these four things will cancel, half a n square cancels with half a n square and 2 cancels with 2. So you will remain with u minus half a plus a n. You just take a outside, then take the LCM, bring this 2 to outside, so this will be the result. So this is the distance traveled by in nth second. You can apply now this formula for number of problems. So thank you very much.